Early Alzheimer's disease could be diagnosed through eye exams, new study suggests. Let's dive into the details, shall we? Alzheimer's is a disease of the brain, usually diagnosed through MRI scans and a battery of other tests. Researchers, however, have found that the human eye can show early signals of this common form of dementia long before symptoms become apparent. Researchers at Cedars-Sinai Medical Center in Los Angeles, California, led the study, which was published in the journal Acta Neuropathologica last month. The researchers analyzed human eyes and brain tissue from 86 deceased patients who had been diagnosed with early Alzheimer's disease or mild cognitive impairment before they died. The researchers also compared samples from people who had normal cognitive function to those who had early-stage symptoms and to those who had late-stage Alzheimer's. The retinas of the patients with mild cognitive impairment and Alzheimer's disease, the researchers found, had an excess amount of amyloid beta 42, a protein that forms the plaque that build up in the brain of people with Alzheimer's. Additionally, the retinas contained cells called microglia, which are also associated with progression of the disease. We discovered that the accumulation of highly toxic proteins in the retinas of patients with Alzheimer's disease and mild cognitive impairment causing severe degeneration of cells. Dr. Yasiv Carunyo, researcher associate in the Cedars-Sinai Department of Neurosurgery and first author of the study, in a statement on the Cedars-Sinai website. The changes were also detected in patients who did not display any cognitive decline or had only very mild signs, indicating that retinal tests could help enable early diagnoses. Results could point to earlier testing. This study is the most comprehensive analysis of the human retina in terms of how it relates to the brains and cognitive function of Alzheimer's patients. That's according to Maya Carreño Hamau, PhD, professor of neurosurgery, neurology, and biomedical sciences at Cedars-Sinai, it said in a statement. These findings may eventually lead to the development of imaging techniques that allow us to diagnose Alzheimer's disease earlier and more accurately and monitor its progression non-invasively by looking through the eye, said Corono Hame, senior author of the study. More than 6 million Americans currently have Alzheimer's, according to the Alzheimer's Association. The disease is expected to affect 12.7 million people by 2050 as the population ages. The population of people age 65 and older is expected to grow from 58 million in 2021 to 88 million in 2050. Nicole Purcell, DO, General Neurologist and Senior Director of Clinical Practice at the Alzheimer's Association in Chicago, Illinois, told Fox News Digital in an earlier interview. Yeah, this sounds pretty awesome. I like this. Technology is awesome, especially medical technology. The better it gets, the more we learn about how to stop this stuff, and then the early diagnosis, that's even better. But what's your opinion on the story? Please let me know in the comments below. Also, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for daily news updates, hit that notification bell, and share this video to help spread the news. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.